Impact News Star, Impact Talk to Manipur, connect with people you serve. Program asibu yengbiriba khwai khudingmakpu Ibethoi Thokchom na mayambu taramna okchiri. Well, this show is a platform for pioneers, leaders, entrepreneurs, newsmakers, and anyone in service of people to share their visions and their contributions to the society. Ngasigi interview asigi episode asida guest oina puduna lakchariba asi mamang thagi tarik 19 da New Delhi da pangthokpa 49th National Achievers and CSR Summit Indian Achievers Award for Business Excellence 2019 gi awardee oibiriba Akiva Medical Devices Thamoibangi Proprietor M. Shanker Sharma Proprietor so Impact Talk to Manipur da taram okchiri.
Thank you, Impact TV now on the invite to Vivagi. I'm really appreciate that.
Okay, aduga somsi Business Excellence Award na India 500 Startup Awards 2019 dasu award winner ma oir have se khoisu khangzare edo whole our somna phangbiki ba award pumna maktugi akogi whole impacting gi makai degi a big congratulations.
Thank you, thanks a lot.
And do akogi ngasigi so asigi haudok pasidi ming budi hakna panjare duga songwi self introduction ama pibiyo ima baba leifam adagi hobbies and schooling kai dagi tawbire sina chungba
maming na Shanker Sharma lere baba gi maming na M Gauri Sharma adiga maming gi maming na Binodini Devi tera dagi ne tera sapam lerak dagi aduga schooling and born in I Delhi da dum pokle aduga schooling education aduga I gi loimak professionals aduga ina like after graduation aina job tauba almost 2 to 3 years loimak Delhi da dum tore after that aina startup tauba na Manipur 2017 November 27 November 2017 dagi aina startup ma haure to aduga iche jingna loimak family whole family ada dum lai iche na mari 4 sisters lai all of them are married.
Aduga somna su startup tawdringa dasu job ama tawbirame haina panbire do job tuna kari job tawbirame no adugi matang sa habet khangja hoge
job je question ate it's a US based company hoibane aduga kai hadano back office ki thabak ne yam chawwa dinate but yeah it's a medical related healthcare related ne so I was like having agi experience chahi mari dagi manga mungi adu back office ki healthcare experience ta le me adugi mauda khoi gi bai na magi company ama hangbada adu da ju chahi ani homok thabak to me till 2016 bo kai thabak job adum torame adugi matungda just got some idea aduga mo kai na startup tawba
adudi housing startup si 2017 dagi budi tawramani 2016 da lotion gadi adu Akiva Medical Devices sigi matang sida somna khara samlapna thambi habidi viewers mayam da su khangdaba mi su dum yarom gani dum khoina se hena khanghauna ba
Akiva medical devices ai je actually akoina haukanda matlab aina plan out taukanda it's not a kyam chauba sumana toromni khalnda bane aina yam pick now aina khamna very small funding na almost aina haugiba to lupa lising nipu yankhai adai dagi haugi bane aduga aina haukanda yam pick na Delhi NCR dagi pot khitang lawaga khitang yonba like medical consumable so Akiva medical devices mostly thabak toje akoina like intravascular cardiology ma lai aduga intravascular nephrology akoina intravascular cardiology high level like in case of heart attack lakanda or cardio arrest lakanda or magi angiography taukanda angioplasty taukanda heart gi manungda like veins gi manungda pot ama thinjale to check to revive or to angiography तो अदु द तौकांदा अदु खुलाय चंगबा पोद अखोना एज एन कंज्यूमेबल नॉट इक्विपमेंट्स कंज्यूमेबल द चंग दोइलो वालो म खुलाय अखोना सप्लाई तवे तो अदु का नेफ्रोलॉजी दना अखोना डायलिसिस गुंबा तौकांदा पेशेंट जे अदु द डायलिसिस कैथेटर मा चंगे अदु का फिस्टुलास अदु द मोय के पोचे खुलाय हम चंगे तो अदु जो अखोना सप्लाई तवे तो अखो यम पिक न हरपने बट या नाउ वी आर एक्सपोर्टिंग अदु का Akiva Medical Devices is an importer of 2 companies. Amana Belgium-based company ne, Novamed Medical Systems. Amana Almedicos Gulco Dr. Gema company ne. So we are right now importers of 2 companies. One is Belgium and South Korea, and we are importing and like okay is pan India jo paire whole pan India. Aduga pan India ki matlab da koi na like SAARC countries jo paire which is Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, except Pakistan. So we are distributing over there also.
mayam da yam kana ba piri basigi medical Akiva Medical Devices si kamaina di hogdoraki aduga hojik jikna branches kayamuk leire mi kya na work tawri si matang su khara thambi
like aina have the Akiva medical devices how kan the pick na home like 40 to 50,000 just I can make yaar just ki a time pass hoina or ang kenam asi hana di kem the goal levte hoy thaba kama tauji knowledge lai bane na de haudi haude but after 1 month 2 month man operate to kan ma de result pa kan the interest hai na yausale ang business di hawk padagi toni ngai but hen interest yaw kan then I start up and then adu dagi amu thaba adu makha chathare adu dagi jik sida yaure aduga branches na hayadi khoi jik main operations to je Manipur ga Delhi dagi ne aduga CNF lai je Mumbai da Maharashtra da CNF ani lai Ghatkopar da ma Thane da ma Hyderabad da CNF ama lai so khoi branches ho mai da almost people working to je like marketing ga ya hoga 25 to 30 people are whole pan India लोग marketing तो including me तो khoi lo ma chala chala ga doctor khuding hospital khuding our major focus are hospitals so hospital da khoi deal to
Okay, adu Shanker hojiksi akhoi business tongning ba mi mayam am sulai doini and maraga sida somna songi business asi successfully kamaina run tauri bano and any upcoming business person singi nangi experience agi kari advice haininge edu matang da suka thambi
advice kiti ai yam adu level da yaudri ai advice pini na
as per your experience
yeah but adu ai experience na ai na kari use tauki ge ai na kai tip and tricks use tauki ge business how badi me as an entrepreneur as an entrepreneur we can start a business or business start to hai meaning business pesha lai rena business start to it's not a big problem but adu adum continue sustain to ba ama constantly use phajana chalan ba adu yam thina important lai to as per my view yam thina important lai je principle ama important lai re adu gi makhada practice ama important lai re adu gi makhada patience ama important lai re principle ai je ethical business ama to da dia business ai je like mingon dagi kenom tawaga or akoina pesha si tawaga just running tawada do business nate business is customer satisfaction ama lai re customer na satisfy with it's not a running business second principle ki makhada si lai re adu practice everything require practice there from if it is a doctor if it is a lawyer if it is a CA everything require practice without practice if it is sports person every industry require practice so business is still require practice business jo practice ama pam hai practice to dadi I don't think sir that ki business if fajana run to ni na aduga patience is the most important key role like if it is we don't have patience like haura kanda maybe down chat pe ai or maybe up chat pe ai or kedang matam lag pe ai or maybe there is a break even also so adu kanda patience tham da di ade patience has tham drawa then business will be going down so these are the like principles which we need to follow these are the key roles principles patience and practice we if see ahuma bhajana mi amana tawadi I think that any business can run successfully any small big any business can run successfully
okay aduga makha tarakpada khangjaninge sina entrepreneur amana magi business run tawre and if kaigumba fail oirakpa matamda in order to save his or her business ma kari tawba mathau tai
see it's a depend on the business to business safe tawbagi kai asi tawe but as an business excellence ta yenga ji first of all business ek kaigi fail chatli no he or she generally ne he or she needs to find out that business kaigi fail chali no kai reason no suppose example ho je ki like gym or anything any business lai ko adu fail chat pagi reason se kari no means hana adi bhajana chatla me adu matung da mu fail chatle kai gi no maybe promotion wat pai ai or maybe mana equipment do magi lai ba khulai do adu bhajada ba ai or maybe upgrade to da ba ai so this kind of like akoi adega first of all we need to be a feedback to be open business ai jai akoi businessman should be or any entrepreneur or any startup companies should more open to feedback as much as you open to feedback like I give you example I'm just coming up a new project as well I ejek project amaga lagto re so adu the project ta lakanda yam anova project ne very soon we are going to launch by December adu project do ina yengkanda ina project to mi tara kowe and they are very specialized person I feedback gine mi tara kore mi tara pushela ina adu da ina project do utle moina ina CC project ne kamai and I want a feedback moina ne project is very good and it will be run successfully hairako and mi tara okay thank you hairako moi sakhare au mi tara muk pore adaga moi mi tara poraga aina amuk the project same project do yengale ke this is my project how is going to be run see yadoro yaro jo moina ang yani see the project sounds good everything is good okay haire amuka mi tara amuk pore amuk mi tara dagi mi taret na hai the project it sounds good but me ahum na hai I think that there is problem moi mi tare thadoga I mi ahunga pung ahum phamaga wai sanai to know what's the problem is adu feedback ama lai radiko so we can upgrade ourselves we can okay akhoi sida problem lai sida problem lai until unless you are not open to feedback to your business I khande ki it will be a problem
okay yam nungai aduga thorough analysis ama su to badakar tai haina su thambi ne som gi se and ngasai somna supan bikiba customer satisfaction adu customer satisfaction si damakta business owner amana kari kari to budi mathau ta
recently adomna habado I now won the startup 500 award ma phamado was totally based on the customer satisfaction customer satisfaction hai je from my point of view aigi company ki hierarchy lo raji kai company ki hierarchy je the top level is not me the top level is customer adugi makada aigi employees कि ang moina kai chalai ne adugi makada aigi products le rahe because my products are more important adugi makada ai le rahe so I am the last person of the company I am the last like if there is something but the topmost of the person is the head of the my company is the customer so this is the most important you need to understand the customer need in today's market ngasi ki market the customer need like customer na hire aba pot noi pibanga ma you are always booming noi mutpa yar hai so that's the kind of like customer satisfaction kai customer kai gi harau de no customer da kai problem like you need to listen you need to always ready so adu the customer
feedback
amukas feedback the all thing is operation is customer satisfaction is totally on reviews me na review pirakpa okay mana si bhajade chi product ya si problem like we take action within an hour we take action within a day as soon as possible we can take action we were taking action if it is a product problem if it is a service problem if it is a delay delivery everything we are open to that so customer satisfaction is totally based on customer reviews customer the problem solving method
and aduga akhoi gi company ma chalaiba or business ama tawbasi employee khara dilai ni go songi so establishment ama lairabani ado somna di songi employee sing si or dedication lainaba and hard work oina bagi damakta kari kari gadi tawi some have that na somga employee sing gi relation do kamaina maintain tawi adi matang da thambi
employees in a relationship is I mostly I keep very frankly with all of them if it is any team Delhi ki team Imphal ki team or anywhere team I chakanda I am frankly hoy aduga frankly have yeah in certain period bog aduga moiga like I always keep them motivated if it is them something right I always appreciate them oi na bhajana ta hoy if it is they are doing wrong even though I appreciate them and I will tell them okay you are doing wrong you need to learn this you need to do this right smaya taudane poje aduga smaya taudadi no like I always try to teach them I always try to appreciate them in any condition moi langera moi chungera so they are because they are the most important like employee is the I can bada employee is the most valuable asset of the company as per my view like most valuable asset is employee chat khadi the whole like you are handicapped the company is handicapped so that's the for me employee is important
okay aduga makha tarakpada khangjaning isi 49 national achievers and CSR summit Indian achievers award for business excellence masige awards ki journey siri kamain tawhi and masige awards si karamna phanglakibano adugi matang su khara thambi
yeah it is a very interesting kai hadano ki because aina habado I sumana award gi or recognition gi di I startup to open ate the startup was yes I in a business towning in a startup to givene but hawpadegi aina khalaki ang sisi ne then I got the opportunity and then whenever I got the opportunity I grabs it I haigera hairojera hana kenom phange I laurani ado konna adu tamba or something I need to learn it I will do it but first of all I grab the opportunity so aina adu opportunity laure and then after getting the opportunity I said that I need to be a practice on it I practice taure adu da angsi potne sisi ne dayo ondone si hospital da chatone si hospital ga mi gauna done then we meet we discuss with them si ne kai product da si problem like product to okay ne so si lo mak ta kanda khoina podi ola kanda then somehow suddenly last month we got a call ki are no ki business is my run ta bane and then I grown up by around 40 to 50% in my like earlier I was selling 100 pieces then I am selling 500 pieces and then I am exporting also to China to Nigeria to Afghanistan then they come up that okay you are getting an award I said okay really it is serious they said yes we are for calling from the national I said okay then all the audit and everything then after 1 week then start of 500 come up and then there is a healthcare company, or there is a healthcare magazine is also there, Business Connect is there. They also came up for the return, like how we are grown up, how, like what is the revenues and what are the, how, what is the what is the procedure, like कहीं कमाया हो गया है, कमाया तो हो गया business दे, तो अदु मतंग जो business connect दा जो magazine में like अदु दा जो article में याद हो रहे. So this like the whole scenario is that आइगी goal जे award न थे, आइगी goal ना business से success तो होगा. These are all like value added ने, on the extra फंग पदो extra goods ने चीज़ आइगी, awards फंग बार recognition फंग बार extra goods ने. But my whole business is business से कमाना success तो दोनों, business से कमाना चलन दोनों, customer कमाना लाउ दोनों, customer कमाना satisfy हो दोनों. That whole journey is about my business and my satisfaction. The award and recognition is a value added.
Okay, matang sai sida break amatang sung logzage. Matang sai sida break amatang logzage. Impact News ta Impact Talk to Manipur meeting ta duna laibiu. Break ki matung da mayam bo mukahana Ibethoi Thokchom na taram na okcheri. Okay, ngasi ge khoi gi so gi makha tharapa question asi every success stories ki challenges mayam am laigani. So som gi su kari kari challenges thengna bi or any experience that you want to share with people?
Challenges the like in any business or any business, the challenges is every day is a challenge. You will wake up every morning and you will get a challenge. So challenges is adum lai, but the startup business they start to kanda ko there is some time adu matam da ko you are going to be blank adu kanda kam to uroi ki kai do dono kamain to dono just you started because you want to do, and then adu ki matung da kam to uroi ki kamain to dono si je kamain chalan dono. After that you need a very patiently, you need to learn something, you need to open, you need to research the market research to kai no kamaya to no adu to kanda. I face a lot of challenge, I product decline to by am yawe mafam da. So there is a very best thing I product je bhajana khanga as medical related way, so I product adam pura ka chale because it's a Belgium based company. Product je quality je ave cheap jo way adam I pura ka chale hospital da, and as in marketing I pucha kanda poje yengale moina hayani karai da gino poje ina hayani Belgium based ne kana si poje phabra ina phai kana hayra ke hayani ina aina hayri na hayani moina okay hire kom okay moi senior ro poje used or now it's a branded one, now is the brand later because it's a one more half year, but I'm talking about the starting. So adu kanda igi manban like he's a very doctor and professional. So I magi mana da chala, I said yaar I need a help of you. She said kai paam ge to aina hai ki ai gi si product ne amara just check out you and give me a review ki poje kai gi chatri no what's the problem. Mana poje checked out mana quality am it's a good quality. I said okay, then mana have phare ko okay hai ko I je amuka back to adu mamam da chale mana aina hai si poje phai hai kana hai aina adu doctor na hai ko na hai ana adu doctor na hai kana adu la atopa mamam da da chakanda oh si doctor na si poje phai hai na hai, and then okay seriously, and still that after 6-7 months ma je khange ki ai je magi mummy use to ne he still like ma je ngoda sabe, but he knows that ki magi mummy dekhe na I used and my product as in quality. So challenges the problem am like every day is a new problem everything, but nung chीज आई कि problem की solve तो उधर शुरू का. It's my view that problem की solution थी दो शुरू का अदु solution जे कनागी मनाक दले इधर ना अदु ना थी बना भाई कि sure there is a problem, there is a solution, but अदु problem की solution जे कनागी मनाक दले इधर so इधर मियाँ मादी ले रहा मनी. There is some, if electric is not there, electrical work is not there, the electrician is the solution. If it is like if anything is not, patient is not working, the doctor is the solutions. So there is a problem, there is a solution. So if we are going to find the solution, okay, solution jam thida na lagi matam yam mangani. So it's a better way to catch the person who have the solution. So it's a direct way. So we can solve the any problem, but we have a different scenarios. Matam thoda kitang style khena bhi hai amana yaad rahe atopana solve to bhi hai amara na yaad hai even the for equation ama solve to magi formula fani am lai. So that's the scene. Every challenges can be, the problems are only temporary. So you can face every problem although.
Okay, aduga makha tarpadana akhoina su khangzare ima soy products somna hana tobiramba business amani adu di amohana mayam amona uba phangi gadra, and aduga songi future plans khara su share do biram.
Ima Soy, it's a very interesting. In 2016, I started up Ima Soy, and it was my first venture. And unfortunately, it was a failed venture. fail hai bhai it is a kind of pause moment. Ima soy hokanda phajan chalame and it was a boom. The actually ima soy je karino akoina soybean dagi sangom puthokpa. And that was the first time in Manipur. Soybean dagi akoina sangom puthoga aduga maje paneer isn't like soy sana oina lakpane akoi kaya sana oina convert to way and ice cream jo convert to way. So we akoina cheez properly producing to everything has been set. Aduga matam khaya raw material gi baat pa. Adu raw material baat pa ki so we have like akoina pause choba ma lawa adu dagi amukai medical industry dagi I said that opportunity ma phangba dagi adum na chathokraba. Adudagi kitang khateng divert ho rahe, but very soon we are working on it. By December or maybe January we are rebooting it and restarting it. Am thuna honi.
Ngasai som na ama muk upcoming plans.
Yeah, upcoming plans. The upcoming plans akoi is project ama yam chauna chale. It's a online based like it's a jam company, it's an e-commerce company. So adu da kitang tawre like by December it will become an adu gi matang da hena dukan da maira ge.
Okay, anu ngai zai aduga somna akhoi gi noticed reason sida dum haizarage business scenario say in the past few years kamaina ubidi and akhoi se huze business person sing na entrepreneur sing na karamba industry da hena focus piragadi moi gi industry du boom to boyai kana ga khanbi.
As a Northeast or as an all India, like how for a Northeast the yenga market che yam thina ejik entrepreneurs yam yame as like yes. Day before like last 2 weeks or mamang the aina article ama yengmane that the Manipur is the top most in MSME registrations. The like MSME ki micro small medium enterprises ki moi udgam registration ama lai adu the like almost 2015 to 19 5 years plan that they have registered around 12,482 figure was there. I don't know the actual figure. That 12,400 was the figure. Adu the 2017 to 19 the half of the figure was applied like around me lising taruk dagi hena ko me lising taruk tare dagi hena 2017 to 2019 book registered tawe. See the actual registration figure ne adu dagi hena macha business yam lairi yam macha registered taw daba. So if we take it like around 20,000 new entrepreneurs coming up aduga I like for me every entrepreneurs are most welcome. Even if it is in a medical industry, I'm really feel free to compete anyone. Competitor is a very healthy thing. Aduga any entrepreneur if they want to learn, they want to anytime I'm feel free. Like aigi office dabu like in last year in like in 2019 only in March April there's one person is a marketing person. He come up to me and said, sir, I want to resign. I said, what is the issue? Any problem, salary issues? No, sir, I sana taurani hai reko. And I have a very good, all the best kai problem like I have a kai karma field that only. I have medical field that towning hai reko. And I said, hey na pare you are coming for like I give laga competition or na la. No, sir, competition ki wanate. And please feel free anytime I give both you any me anytime I'm most welcome to anything because you are coming for an entrepreneur, you are looking forward to it, you are generating economy and you're generating revenues. So adu dane to everyone, and I think that women should come more entrepreneur as per my view because I think that women are more productive than men, so they should come more like everywhere. In like I was in Belgium and I was having a conference and me and my colleague was there and we are waiting for the pupils me lakpaging aikanda to lakanda like almost out of 10 me taret nipan are women. Okay. So they are holding all big seats. They are holding all, like in countries in EU countries they are holding all big seats. Like some are CEO, some are CFO, some are COO, and some marketing heads, international marketing, and they all are women. Like 7 people out of 10, there 7 are women. So because they are more productive, then I thought that women should go more entrepreneurs. And about the industry, I think that coming up industry is upcoming booming industry is agriculture, and going down day by day. Agriculture is down, so everyone is like forgetting it. Once you going to like pot amaje kaur diko amuka lakpane poche mata mama ki matunda gap iraga amuka lakpane. So agriculture industry je loima kaw kare. So within 5 years or within 4 years it will be come back for sure. Aduga for the cosmetic, yes, cosmetic industry is also coming up very fast. Within like one of the like Korea, they know that cosmetic industry will become 20 years back. Chai kun mamang da moina khanbene ki mata mama lakni कि अखोई जे like cosmetic gumba केरम ले रखनी ना अदु मोइना चाहिए कुन ममांग द खलम बने and now the Korea is one of the top most leading exporter in cosmetic. They are like super moi adom everything moina cosmetic the haidi moi king ne Korea je because they thought about a business process of 20 years back moi chai kun mamang da du khan ga bane so every business need a very future vision like kai hai je example da ma hai je suppose akhoi ki hotel classic loji si chai kun mamang da tara mamang da le ram sir Dr. Sir Dablina tawne he is a very humble person. I really met him. He is a very humble and kind person. So moi na jo adu kind of vision the moi chahi kun mamangi vision chahi tara mamangi vision because that time tourism laite adu that time isuk chawba asiju laite hotel jo laite moi na khalam gani yaar easy hotel chharaga kai do but he sees a vision for 10 years future 20 years futures now he is one of the leading entrepreneur businessman in Manipur so I think that your future vision should be a very bright and ujik chatliwa podda noi leradi yam thuna mut khani ujik leriba trend da ko noi na dum changa di yam thuna mut leni it's not a big but coming up trend da leradi you have a still business of 4 year and then upcoming business of 5 years so you can run for almost 10 years once your business is run for a 10 years you are going to be a run for a whole life so it's the logic
okay aduga akhoi matang sai sida pungpham su loishalakadori eduna last question noina Sankarna ngasi gi yengbiriba mayam sida kari kari share to biningi sigi matang sigi khara thambi
I share tawning is I have a story of 5 minutes so I can tell it's not a very fiction stories you need to understand the fiction stories fiction ne adu the kenta related laite there is a two kingdom ani lai so kingdom ama da ko attack torpa atopa rivalry people jina pirates na so he called up amana jo mateng pang gi atopa kingdom da mana anta lakpio just give me your forces haire ko to ma je lai mana forces pire mada and he won the battle after a while mana ma kaure mada haire ki just in gratitude he gave him a parrot 2 parrots aduga he said that ejigi king na ning thona haire ki you fly si anima parrot se pahalo aduga if it is both are flying it's a symbol of our friendship ma je hallaga ma parrot se pahan kanda parrot amadi pairaba but parrot amana branch da dum pham leraba masada but adu paidaba so he called a trainer mana trainer kawe aduga mana hai ki ai je parrot animak pahan ba pame in case if pahan ba ngamdadi you will be getting a dealt means you nang hath khani you need to be mana trainer is a very like he is a province trainer like yam specialist trainer ne yam mana hai yam lai nangam gini kesu na te parrot pahan bu kyam ba pot no so mana numit kya ni sang mana numit niri mi dai pahan ga mana theek hai hafta ma yang kan da parrot je amadi paiba but ama adum phamdana re masada and then he said that nangamdre I will be going to kill you ma said give me another chance I'm going to chance amaga pio and I will call someone else he is my guru mana fire kauro ma julai kya kamaya to dono mana ai ngamni kesu tore ai numi humni mani nai pahan ga re ko mana fare aduga ma na ju try taw kanda ma ju ngamdre after 1 week ma ju ngamdre he said that okay kai dawra ge mana no ani mak sitare and then the second guru said okay just give me a last chance I will call my guru from another village atopa lamdage kaurake and he will surely fly it ana fare kauro aduga ma jo kare mana nang animak noi ahumak share ne aduga nang ngamdre moi noi ahumak hatoni aduga anumak pirate pai dadi kai there was in gratitude issues kai adadi ma di animak pai der na asomdagi raja do ma khanba ngamdre to ma fare theek hai ma pahalo hai ko ma je nonga laga ma gi thongna hang to kanda ko yeng kanda animak parrot je pai le rame now he was amazed ki kamaya toino ma je ma mi ahuma kaure ahuma kaw kanda kamaya toino hange mana raja ai di pahan ba ya pahale sida di no hangaru kai no ma ai khangning hai ba noi gi nangi guru na ju nangi chela ju to bangam de ma gi chela ju to bangam de why what is the reason that parrot amana paiga parrot amana branch adum pham leidana nana kai dori no adu da kari dori no hai ba mana na kaisu taude aina just mana phammi ba branch to adu na kakthale so he is become the out of the comfortable zone so the whole story is between that no in a comfortable ori kan bo ko you are in the comfortable zone da leri kan ko kaisu tabang amoy kenke because he is feeding free da lomak phangi ayu da dum mina thabirani lomak tawene so he don't want to fly so adu masado mina kakkanda ma pai ba hore kai phamni ngai leite so he out of the comfortable zone so adu akhoi gi life da same experience ne ki akhoi ju comfortable yam hoy ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯗꯦ out of the comfortable zone comfortable ꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯀꯥꯟꯗ you will going to fly for a day this is for the sure and this is the main major things we are not going to it so comfortable zone dagi mapan tholo that is a major thing
okay and thank you so much yam nungaizare am shankar na ngasi akhoi gi impact tv gi studio da lakpiduna mamal yam laba wahai kya share to wibagi da makta and all the very best for your future and adong gi business hen hen grow to buduna matung da su unabagi chance muka lagjage amuka hana thagat pa phongdok chari
thank you
ngasi gi onadi impact news da sandok chari ba impact talk to manipur matang swasida lusinjare mathang gi episode ta anoba personality ma puduna lakchagi impact news miding ta duna lebiu